Kunal. How are you doing?
Are you? Good, good.
Uh,
Yeah,
so,
sorry, I had to reschedule yesterday's call.
yeah, it's fine. No problem. So from where are you attending? You're in India?
I'm based in Chicago right now.
Okay. So how are things going in Chicago? How is your life treating you?
Things are good. I think we are seeing first snow today. So the winter is here.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, things are fine. What about you? Where are you based? You said you are third year student, right? So
Yeah.
I assume you are in that.
Yeah, I'm in my hostel room, IIT Bombay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect.
Tomorrow
So
in
for you guys, is it like semester is gonna end?
tomorrow in Sims are starting, so we'll have to pull a all-nighter today.
Oh, damn. Yeah,
Same branch,
fair
electrical,
enough.
communication signals course today. Tomorrow.
Oh, you are in electrical, you said.
Electrical, yeah.
Okay, okay. Nice.
So I'll just briefly introduce myself. I'm a third year elect student doing my dual degree, BTech plus MTech in electrical engineering, and my interests are quantitative finance majorly. I'll pursue my career in quant finance. Uh, and we are a team of five building a startup for HFT for small and medium HFTs in US. We realize that there is a gap in the market. Uh, the small retail traders, they for their tax filing, they have a lot of platforms like TradeLog and all, and big firms like Jane Street and Citadel, they have in-house proprietary tax filing softwares for filing their taxes. Yeah, are you following me?
Sorry, I wasn't audible.
No, you.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, I'm following you. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, but for small and medium HFTs who have
Right.
like transactions above 3 million, 10 million, there is no
Mm-hmm.
software available in the there is no solution available in the market which can process these number of transactions and file for tax, specifically for US firms.
Okay.
And all of this complexity arises because there is a law stated by IRS called wash sale rule, if you have heard of it.
Which one?
Wash sale rule.
Not really sure, but I can
So,
read about it.
so basically, what wash sale says is if you sell a security at a loss, within 30 days you
Yeah.
can't buy the same security, and if you do,
Okay.
then you can't realize that loss.
Okay.
So when you file for these high number of transactions, and you are buying and selling the same security, like in a in 1 second you are doing 1,000 transactions, then accounting for wash
Right.
sale on that number of transactions is like is very is a great complex task.
Yes.
So no one is building for this because it's a very small opportunity, like 200 300 firms in US. So
Right.
not a very big opportunity, and not investable for any investor. Yeah.
I see. So, just to like see if I understand it correctly. So it's mostly for small and medium HFTs and for the taxation, basically, you're saying, right? Because we're doing a lot of transactions and there are like capital gains on each transaction and everything. So you're building something based on that for like ease of taxation of these firms because they right now they don't have software or anything. Is it?
Right, exactly.
I see. So to be honest, I'm not very sure about the taxation and everything. I'm just like a researcher. So I don't think I'll be able to help a lot in that case. But what I can tell is, like at least in my opinion, what I feel is like these generally like the firms like medium and or small HFTs, right? They're like very proprietary and try to use all of their stuff like proprietary. Like they will try to build in house, right? But for the taxation, yes. Now if you introduce a software or something, so the data will go out to you guys, right? Like the number of transactions we are doing, like the volume information or whatever, like the trade information will directly go out to the software if you are handling the taxation part of it. Generally, these firms are very reluctant to do that. Like they what they will do is generally for these apps or whatever, like they will try to have like some enterprise version or something which we can use rather than giving the data to you. So just like software you make it, so make an enterprise version for just for us to use. So that
Right.
something like that can work, but
Right. We are making an enterprise software, so it will not be
yeah,
like that. You have to send the data to us. We will install the
yeah,
software on your machines. Nothing will be sent to us, and everything will run
I
in
see.
house of the trading firm.
Got
and
it.
and
I see. I
exactly
see.
we are solving for this also, because currently how the trading firms are solving for this is they rely either on the big four accounting firms, or the
Yes.
external CPAs, or external accounting firms. They have to share those trade logs which are proprietary to them, to the
Yeah.
external CPA, which is not what they want.
Sometimes they just hire someone like we have I think one or two accounting people. But yeah, I agree. Like I'm not like quite sure how do they do like on this big scale of transaction and stuff. So yeah, something like that. I don't have like much idea how these people are doing it, but right now I would guess like what you said. We definitely like hire some outsiders to do that stuff, and like use one or two of the internal ones, and then they work collaboratively. Maybe they use third party app also to do that. Uh, yeah. So what do you think? Like, how big is the market? What's your target? Like, only for HFTs, or is it like you are targeting medium frequency as well, or like the market makers or other stuff?
uh, yeah, this problem applies to all. So HFTs, medium frequency traders, hedge funds, uh, yeah, all. Currently the very burning need is for HFTs because of the high scale of transactions.
High
Uh,
scale, yes.
yeah. So, and specifically to US, because the complexity because of wash sale and tax lot matching. This is specifically because of this rule by IRS. There's a section called Section 475F, which introduces all this complexity, specifically in US. So yeah, uh, and countries,
Section 475, you said, right?
yeah, 475F.
And can you take that wash sale law?
Yeah, wash sale rule.
Can you spell?
Wash, like to wash clothes. Yeah,
Wash. Okay.
and sale is to, like, to sell something. Salesman.
Got it. Yeah, it says claiming a tax loss on the sale of a security to buy within a 61 window. Okay. I see. Also, it's applicable only to like stocks, options, and also different type of securities. For example, for us, like we generally do futures and stuff. I don't know if it's applicable to that. Maybe it's for them as well. Uh, so yeah, that could be one thing also for you to take a look, like which all securities are covered. Do they cover just the stocks, or do they even cover derivatives? Because futures and options is very big.
Yeah, they cover options. They cover call, put. Uh, yeah,
Okay, they cover
yeah.
options. Okay.
So it,
Yeah,
we,
futures and
this is also not
options.
allowed that you sell a stock and you buy the call option for that. Even in that case, you can't realize the loss.
Okay, so you can't book a loss in even that. But you can do on the 62nd day if
Yeah,
it
you
is
can.
not allowed.
Yeah, you
It can be a rolling window.
can. It is a rolling one.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I think the idea looks good. I'm not like completely sure how these firms are doing right now, and I mean, I would talk to like people maybe in accounting or others, like because generally we don't get that much idea about how
Yeah.
they're doing the taxation. Sorry to disappoint, but yeah,
No, no, that's
uh,
fine.
I would yeah I would say like even other profiles similar to me, we won't have any idea. At least for proprietary trading, it's very hard because they are not transparent, so we generally have very less idea how they handle everything. Unless someone is a partner or someone, then then I would say your best shot would be to reach out to those people. Even in India, we have firms like who are doing HFTs and all that. You probably know about it.
Yeah.
Uh,
But this problem does
so
not apply to India because
yeah, but at least you can like talk to them and see how they do the things. And because in India, a lot of partners and like the people who are building these firms, they come from US. They have like similar profiles.
makes
Like
sense.
they would work for a few years at US, so they might have some idea. Is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I mean, problem might not be applicable for India trades, uh, but also other thing is. Uh, Indian firms also trade US markets, so it can still be applicable because they will be filing taxes.
Hmm.
Uh, might be in US or maybe in India. I don't know about the tax treaty and stuff for Indian firms if they trade US markets, but something to like go into some direction. I would say you can still talk to those folks like who are a little senior and have tried building this stuff.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Um, how many accountants do you have at your trading firm? What trading firm do you work at? So, if
It's called Sunrise Futures. It's yeah, Sunrise Futures. We trade in futures in HFT space. It's a yeah small HFT firm. Uh, Small as in like 70, 80 employees. I don't know. Probably medium. You can get place.
hmm.
Um, and for accountants, I think we have two. I think two, and then there's separate CFO. So like those two, three people are there for these kind of job. One is definitely one CFO and the separate one two accountants for that.
uh, is it possible to connect me to the accountant persons so that I can
Oh,
understand
for the firm.
for the firm?
Uh, I can't guarantee you, but yeah, definitely I can reach out to them and tell them like something about you reaching out to them. If they're interested, for sure, I would be happy to like connect you both.
That
Does this work?
yeah, that works beautiful.
Okay,
Ho-
perfect, perfect.
How was the
So,
transition from sorry interrupting, but from Belvedere to Sunrise? Belvedere is I think a bigger firm.
yeah, I think Belvedere was just doing the internship, so they are more like discretionary options market making. Uh, they are like not fully systematic. So for me, I enjoy more like the fully systematic stuff, like doing full algo development and stuff. So that was one thing I liked about it over there. Yeah, so here we are like completely uh, doing all the executions through code, so no manual intervention or something. So that was one thing. Other is like HFT, you have like big large scale data compared to the options. uh, Options, if we do HFT, yeah, we have large data, but compared to market making, it's very different line. So HFT I enjoy very like time sensitive things and everything. So yeah, I would say just that was the major reboot. What were you like? Are you do you have you had any experience with these firms so far? Like any of the firms, have you done an internship or a targeting or something?
So in my second year, I did a intern at a trading firm for 3 months. So I was responsible. I was part of the team building the backtester. So the firm
Okay,
was
right.
so the firm was not is not a proper trading firm. It is a broking firm, but it also has started its algo development thing. So previously they were using online brokers, AMI brokers, and all, but they were trying to make a they were backtester, and they were trying to make a backtester for their strategies, and also
See.
developing more strategy,
Okay, nice.
and also
What did it?
yeah, and also part of the quant team of IIT Bombay. So participating in various hackathons or like IMC Prosperity,
Oh,
if you have heard of.
that's nice. We had literally no idea about quant and stuff at our times.
Hmm.
I got introduced like in my job, so that's like for you guys. It's really great that you guys have already some
Yeah,
head start and have been working in that space. So definitely good, and you have been already thinking about these ideas.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Quant is a big
Uh,
bubble for now, right now, in every IIT. Everyone just wants to go into
uh,
quant.
sorry.
Everyone just wants to go in quant currently. That's the
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
in IITs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, package, right?
Package, yeah.
That's the one thing. Yeah. At that time, yeah, it was like, I think niche or these kind of firms would compete. Nowadays, like all these trading firms are making big money and like competition is huge. So they're trying to reach like that level as the pay is in the global offices as well. So that's why they're giving that much. So definitely, that's why everyone is driven toward that. I mean, there's nothing like it's the work. It's definitely the salaries. I'm sure if you
Yeah,
match the salary at Google, the same thing, people would love to go to Google as well.
yeah.
Yep. Great Kush. Unless you have any other questions, I can try to reach out to the accountants and other people at my firm, and we'll get back to you if there is any interest in them, like towards talking to you. Yeah.
Sure, Kunal. And more importantly, this is not like I'm not a salesperson, so I'm I don't want to talk to them to sell my product or anything. I really
Yeah.
want to understand how things are happening at HFTs
Hey,
because
I understand you haven't built the product, so you can't sell it,
yeah, of
sell
course,
it, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. No, no problem. Yeah, yeah. I will talk to them accordingly.
Thank you, thank you.
That's fine. No worries.
Bye bye.
Good luck. Yeah, happy talking to you. If you have any other questions, yeah, let me know. But taxation, unfortunately, I won't be able
Yeah,
to help you that much. But if you have any other questions about industrial stuff, already you have been working there, but any other things, then happy to answer your questions.
thank you, Kunal. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Have a good one.
Yeah.